What's up guys, Lon here from Android Authority, and we're taking a quick look at Samsung's newly announced Galaxy S9 Plus and comparing it to the Google Pixel 2 XL. So obviously the first thing you're going to notice is the design between these two phones are very different. The Galaxy S9 Plus's design pretty much retains the same form factor from last year's model. It's made mostly out of glass with a lot of curves and rounded corners, and it has a really sleek and slender look to it. The Pixel 2 XL is much more industrial with its metal body and has a flatter and squared off design, so it isn't quite as elegant looking as the S9 Plus, but they're very attractive looking phones in their own ways. Both of them have tall 18:9 AMOLED screens, but the bezels on the S9 Plus are much smaller, and Samsung says they're even thinner than last year's S8 Plus, so you're getting a slightly smaller phone, but you're still getting the same 6.2-inch screen. The other major hardware difference with the S9 Plus is the fingerprint sensor has been repositioned, since that was one of the biggest complaints with last year's S8. It's now centered on the back similar to the Pixel 2 XL, and it's much easier and comfortable to use without smudging up the camera. There's no headphone jack on the Pixel 2 XL, whereas there is a headphone jack on the S9 Plus, and Samsung has implemented a second speaker into the earpiece to complement the bottom firing speaker. It most likely won't be quite as good as the two front-facing speakers of the Pixel 2 XL, but it's still nice to finally have stereo sound on a Samsung phone. Samsung also added dual cameras to the Plus model this year. You have two 12 megapixel cameras with a mechanical aperture, which means it's hardware based, and this lets you switch between an aperture of f2.4 and f1.5. The camera will do this automatically depending on the lighting situation, or you can change it manually within the Pro mode. The secondary lens allows for background blurring effects and the ability to optically zoom into subjects without losing detail. The Pixel 2 XL keeps things much more simple with just a single 12 megapixel shooter, but it's proven itself to be one of the best cameras on the market and is still able to achieve a portrait mode through machine learning. They're both powered by Snapdragon processors in the US, with the newest 845 in the S9 Plus and the 835 in the Pixel 2 XL, which was the most powerful Snapdragon processor last year. Plenty of RAM on both of them as well, with 6 on the S9 Plus and 4 on the Pixel, so there shouldn't be any issues with performance, and the 845 is not only a faster chipset, but it's also more power efficient across the board. On the software front, they both have Android Oreo, but obviously the S9 Plus is skinned with Samsung's UI, which is very different from the stock experience of the Pixel, and if you've used the S8 or Note 8, you should feel right at home. There are some software changes with improvements to Bixby, the addition of AR emojis, and the camera software has been cleaned up and easier to navigate, but otherwise it's a very familiar experience. So that about wraps up this quick comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and Google Pixel 2 XL. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below on how these two stack up. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And keep it tuned here to Android Authority for the rest of our MWC 2018 coverage.